Social Security disability words that every Social Security disability applicant must know. I've been working my way through the alphabet of important Social Security disability terms. And as we've learned, Social Security has its own language. It's not English. It's what I call Social Security-ese. And you need to understand these words and how they'll impact your Social Security disability claim. So we're going to talk next about the D words. The first D word is a decision notice, and you're going to be either very happy or you're going to be very sad. The decision notice, if it's favorable, is going to say, hey, you've been awarded benefits, and this is how much you're going to get, and this is when it's going to be paid. Congratulations. On the other hand, it may say, we've denied your claim for benefits, or we've denied your request for reconsideration. If that happens, you're only going to have 60 days in which to file an appeal. Now, if your initial application has been denied, you want to file what's called a request for reconsideration. If that's been denied, as they often are, you're going to want to file a second crack at it called a request for hearing, because you want to get in front of an administrative law judge. If you miss this deadline, you've got to start all over again, and that adds nothing to delay, because even now it can take 24 months or more to get a hearing in front of a Social Security disability judge. So you don't want to miss this deadline. Direct deposit, I like that. I'm sure you do too. That means that your benefits are going to be electronically deposited into your bank account. Disability benefits, that's why we're here. But there are a number of types of disability benefits, and I'm here basically to talk about Social Security disability benefits. But you need to understand that there's a 5-step sequential evaluation that the Social Security Administration will use to determine your entitlement to Social Security disability benefits. If you don't know what it is you have to prove, how on earth are you going to win your case? And I think that's one of the reasons why you need to have an attorney. The next reason is another D word. Documents, lots of documents. You have to fill out an application that asks all sorts of questions about your work history, about your medical history. And I think that the most important form really is the work history form, because at the 5-step sequential evaluation, step 4, the question is whether or not you can go back to the lightest or simplest physically demanding job you held in the 15 years before you became disabled. And just because you think you can't or your physician thinks you can't doesn't mean that the Social Security Administration or the judge is going to agree. You have to have proof. And proof comes in the form of documents also that are like medical records, or what I always want to get, which is a residual functional capacity form filled out by your doctor. This form will discuss your restrictions and limitations, good days, bad days, absenteeism, whether you're off pace, all sorts of things that are really relevant not only to step 4, but step 5. Which is there any other work in the mythical, not real world, national economy that you could hypothetically do in view of your age, education, and skills? That's a mouthful, and that's another reason why you need to have an experienced Social Security disability attorney to represent you. So what should you do if your claim's been denied? Contact me at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can look at the denial letter, tell you why you've been denied, explain the 5-step sequential evaluation, and develop a strategy that will help you get your Social Security disability benefits. Call today, 727-894-3188.